Hey guys, so this is Gwen Lazarito here, and I just want to film a really quick video for you all. As a supplement to the video, I did the no spend month challenge here's what happened video that I just posted, because right after I posted it I realized that I did not explain the guide sheet to you during the video. So let me just do that real quick in this one. So I'm currently here in the video and I'm just going to open the description box, and on the description box you will see the no spend challenge sheet guide link. Just go ahead and open that. So I've got it right here. I've already opened it, and you can just go ahead and download that, and then you'll have the PDF version. So let me just explain this one real quick. Oh, and later, I know that some of you guys, you may not have printers at home, or if you do have printers, the ink might have run off, whatever the case. I will be showing you an alternative and how to go about it on your phone. But first, let me just give a really quick explanation on how the no spend challenge sheet guide works. So I have here this challenge is going to last blank. Just put here the duration of your challenge. So if you're going to do a no spend weekend challenge, so you can just go ahead and say from September, what day is it today? Let's say September 11 to 12, or if you're going to do a 1 week, then just put the duration of the date here. And on the second line it says, I want to save the amount of, just put your desired amount for this challenge, and for blank just put in what are you saving for. So that will actually help motivate you save more and do well in this no spend challenge. So it might be if you're saving for a new phone, or if you're just saving more aggressively to pay off a debt, that would be a really good motivator. And the numbers here are just the days. So this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, etc. Now below the numbers, you will see the My No Spend guidelines. So these are the guidelines that you must follow during the challenge. So the first column here is, I'm doing this challenge because, so try to put in all of the things or the reasons why you want to do this challenge. It may be to get to know more of yourself with regards to your spending habits, or your relationship with money, or because you're saving for something that you really want to buy or to pay off. Then the second column is my no buy items. So these are the items that you should not buy during the challenge. So it might be takeout food, or it might be things in online stores like Shopee or Lazada, clothes, jewelry, stationery, extra pet toys, whatever they are. And the third column is my exceptions are. So these are the things that if you need to buy them on the no spend month challenge, then you are allowed to. So these are your exceptions, like medicine, or if you need to buy medicine during the no spend month challenge. If forgive me, the dogs are barking for no reason. Other exceptions may be like if there's a bill that's due, then that might be part of your exceptions. Now on the second page, it's called Let's Review. So this is generally after the no spend challenge, you're going to fill this out. So it's just a review of what happened during the challenge. So the first circle here would say the challenge day. So it's the number of days that you were able to do the challenge. So if you did a weekend, then that's 2. If you're going to do a 1 week no spend challenge, that's 7 days. No spend month, then that's 30 days or 31 days or 28 or 29, whenever. Yay days are the number of days that you were able to successfully not spend. Oops days are the number of days that you were not so you're not so successful in not spending. And then the fourth, is that the fourth? The fourth circle is money spent. So this is the total number of or the total amount of money that you were able to spend during the no spend challenge. And the money saved is the total number or the total amount of money that you were able to save during the no spend challenge. So that is it's going to be, this one here is the expectations, and this one here is going to be the reality of it. So I'm just going to put in a disclaimer as well that I did not think of this originally. So this sheet, I actually saw this first in another person's video because she did a no spend month challenge for herself as well, and she created this type of sheet, and I thought that was really neat. So I just took inspiration from that. So I'm going to link her video in the description box below as well in this video. So if you want to watch how she does hers, and that would be really awesome too. But I just created mine just because I added some things here as well, and you'll know the things that I've added if you watch her video later on. Anywho, so after you fill in all of the circles above, the next item would be things that you've learned. So during the challenge, I've learned that. So anything that you learn about yourself, how you are handling your money or your relationship towards money or spending, you can write that in. You're not limited to these lines here. You can definitely write it down on your phone or on your notebook or your journal. The next one is during the challenge I felt. So write down all of the things that you felt during the challenge. Was it difficult? Was it easy? Did you feel deprived or not? And other things. The last one is the things that I would do differently next time. So these are the things that you might want to do better if you're going to do another no spend challenge in the future. So if you were able to watch my video on what happened after the challenge, you will know that I actually learned a lot of things, and I'm going to apply a lot of things on my next no spend, which includes this guide sheet. So I know that this is going to be very helpful. So you are going to, I'm sure that you're going to learn more about yourself and how you can do a better job at this challenge in the future. So you can definitely write this down here. That is it. Oh, a final note. Again, sorry about that. If you were able to hear that, that was just my cat jumping onto some boxes because she feels like this is the jungle. So in the chance that you don't have any printers at home, which is very understandable, we don't have one here as well, here's what you can do. I would actually take a screenshot of this like that, and oops, it's my cat again. Okay, and then I would just go to normally you can just go to your gallery and just go to your screenshots here, and from there you can edit, right? Let's just remove that here and just save it. And then I can actually just do an edit and make doodles, so I can like cross out the numbers here if I'm done with day one and also write it down. But for some people like me, you may not have the text option, so you might have difficulty writing things down here. So what I would suggest is you can download this app here. It's iMarkup. It's available for Android. I don't know if it's available for iPhone, but I'm pretty sure there are a lot of apps that are similar to this one in iPhone. And you can just put click new, and you can look for the photo, and you can just use the text here. It says September 11 to 12 for an example, and then you can just put that here. Right, next just confirm that, and yeah, do the same, and then you can do either you can draw on it like that, that's done. Day 2 is done. Or you can also do a sticker. I actually like putting stickers, so you can do the check mark if you're done, and you can just go ahead and save that. Right, so once you're able to save that, oops, let's go home. Once you're able to save that, you can get back to your gallery, and then you can see this. So if you want to update it to the next day, you can just go ahead and go back to your markup, click on new. Oops, this is so weird. Oh man. And then click on photos and use the most recent image that you've created, and yeah, just go ahead and update that. Oops, no, I don't like that. Oops, this one. Right, Okay, so that's it. That is my suggestion. So you can either print this out, or again, I think printing it is more efficient, but if either you don't have a printer or if you want to minimize using paper in general, then you can definitely use this method. I use this sometimes too. So yeah, I hope that helps, and I hope this document is going to help you as well in your no challenge or no spend challenges for in the future. So have a good one, guys, and remember that your best life starts when you decide. See you on my next video.